Now, I am still a big fan of Frigidaire. I think their bottom freezers are still some of the best on the market. There are some people that are gaining some ground on them, but as far as working, they just flat out work. Now, we've had a few issues here and there with a few little minor things with the new refrigerant R600, but I think they got it worked out because it really wasn't that long. It was just kind of a blip on the radar. But again, it's a great looking refrigerator. It's got lots of storage, has lots of versatility to it, and I never have any problems with it except for the ice maker. So if you watch my other videos, you're going to say, you always say that. I know ice makers are the bane of my existence when it comes to refrigerators. Mine is broken. It's been broken for years. And am I going to fix it? No, I'm not going to fix it.